name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Bitch, you was a 5, now 4. Bitch, I was a 1. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nikki, and this is my YouTube channel. It's 95% makeup, 3% Korea, and the other 2% is me just being me. Today's video is a collab with Mia of Mia's Virtual Vanity. I almost said reality. Oh, sorry girl. We are doing a face chart collab. I'm excited because we all know I love my face charts. So yeah, I'm happy about this. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I'm gonna get started. I've already done my brows. Why? Because I always do my brows because that takes me forever. And I don't think nobody wants to watch me spend 15 minutes doing brows. That's just, even if I sped it up, it'd be like 7 minutes of brow work. Nobody wants to watch that. So I don't do my brows on camera. Unless you specifically want to see me just do my brows, then I have a video on my channel for that. But other than that, I'm not gonna just do that on camera anymore. It's too much. Well, that being said, enough talking, let's get started. So, as you can see in the picture, it's red and I want to say that's green. I could be wrong. It might not be green and I might just be ruining this whole look, but it looks green to me. So, going by my eyesight, and I have my lenses in so I can see, and I looked at it with my glasses on. So, I see green. I don't know what color y'all see, but I see green. So, it's like a red and green look, but it's not Christmas. It reminds me of Africa. Please, nobody shoot me. There's an African flag that has those colors. It reminds me of that flag. But, yeah. So, that's what I'm going to be doing right quick right now. The first palette I'm going to be using is the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I'm going to go into the shade Cherry Soda, which is this bright red shade here. And I'm going to put that all up and through here using a brush that I got from AliExpress. Don't know the name of it. Don't know the name of the company because, first of all, apparently the company I bought it from isn't even on there anymore. But there wasn't really a memorable name. It was just some random seller. So, anyway, let's get started. Now, I'm aware that this looks crazy, but first of all, there's no foundation on my face, so it's all going to come together in the end. The next shade I'm going to be using just to darken right up in here a little bit, not too much, is this shade here, which is called Cherry Soda. Oh, wait. So the other red shade, whoopsie, I read that wrong. This was Prick, that's on here, and this one is Cherry Soda. It's hard to read stuff upside down, but I'm going to now take Cherry Soda and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to go back into Prick and put that under where I put the dark shade. I did add some of this shade Extraction to make it a little deeper, but I'm going to go back into Prick and put that on the lid, but not all over the lid. I'm going to cover it just enough and leave a little bit of space for the green color. So I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, the one before they got the names put into them, so I don't know the name of these two shades, but these are the ones I'm going to be using on a brush that I got from AliExpress, so I don't know the name of it.
but your sin, it was my medicine. No more saying I'm you. Now your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to warn me, like I was a thing lovers. Cause you make my heart skip like a stone over the water. And I know it love and Tiki come together. Though the music dies, the rhythm of our heartbeat lasts forever. And though the music dies, the rhythm of our heartbeat lasts forever. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Por siempre. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Por siempre. Your silhouette is ingrained in my mind. Let's be naughty tonight. Move your body the way that I like. And you got me for life. Cause your touch is my addiction. And your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to warn me, like I was a thing.
So I did my lower lash liner off camera. I'm going to go and first of all dust off my face, and then I will come on to show you because I got one of the new Jeffree Star liquid frost. So I'm going to mix that with my foundation, and then I'm going to do the foundation application off camera and then come back. So yeah. So this part of the video has actually nothing to do with the collab or the look. I got this and I'm really excited to use it. And it says you can mix it with your foundation, so I'm going to mix it with my foundation. I got the shade Goddess. Why? Because obviously, you know. And I got it specifically to mix with my foundation. I like the packaging. I like this little, and it's like a little dropper. So then you just. I'm going to take one of my mermaid tail brushes and just mix that together. Oh, that's pretty. And I'm gonna go put this all over my face. I'll be back. Now for the inner corner and the lower lash line. First, it was really hard to see the lower lash line because it looks black, but then it also looks red. So I have no idea how I'm gonna make that work. But the inner corner looks orange, but very shiny. And I don't have any shades that mimic that well. So I'm going to combine two shades from the ColourPop Soul palette. I'm going to be using Motel and Unwind. So that is this shade and this shade. I'm going to put this one first and then this one directly on top of it, so it can like pop more because they're both metallic shades. But of course Motel is much darker, but I'm going to, so it can have that red effect behind it, but it's not as red because it looks orange, but then it also looks red. Mixing.
They don't make them beats like they used to, girl. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats.
Again, like I said, for the lower lash line, it's really hard to tell what colors are down there. I know there's a dark red down there, so I'm just going to use the Blood Sugar palette again. There's two brushes again from AliExpress, and I'm going to use two colors. I am going to go this route and use Coma, and then I'm going to go either Cherry Soda or Prick, so that you can still see the red, because Coma is very, very dark. It almost looks black sometimes, so I'm going to combine the two of them so that it's the dark color first and then red directly underneath it.
Don't kill my vibe, don't touch my wave. 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 Wave, 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 wave. Don't kill my vibe, don't touch my wave. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take their night like they used to. They don't take their night like they used to. We going in, no photo ops. They taking pictures like they with the cops. Girls in their heels, boys in their crops.
So I did the star off camera and that looks so crappy up close, but far away it looks good. I had to do that off camera because I could never do it on camera. Like, I'm not that great, I'm not that cool, not that talented, not at all. But I added some lashes, and I put on my highlight. This is actually the Liquid Frost, currently all over my face, and I did add a touch of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics King Tut on top, and it looks really good together. This might be my new combination for fall instead of using Uranus. I like this. I look golden and bronzed at the same time. I like that. I like it. I actually like this eye look. My students are going to say Christmas, and I know they are, because anytime they see red and green, they say Christmas. Reminds me more of Freddy Krueger. So that's probably what I'm going to title this eye look, because this is definitely Freddy Krueger sweater all up and through here. Can you tell I'm ready for Halloween? I am going to find a lipstick that is compatible with the lip that the model is wearing in the face chart picture. It's like a brown, chocolate brown, if you look. So I'm gonna see if I have one of those. I'll be right back. Now, I have my Cloudscape, which is from ColourPop. It is their Ultra Matte Lip. It's like a chocolate brown. I don't have anything darker, and it's like a dark brown. It's like a dark chocolate brown. I don't have anything darker, and I don't want to add black, because I am not going to wear this lip to work with this eye look. I don't want to scare anybody's child, especially because I wash my hair, and it just gets brighter and brighter the more I wash it. So this is like really, like, you see that? It's like really, that's a lot, okay? I'm already black in Korea, so anyway, I'm going to be using this. And this is the finished look. I wasn't expecting to wear my hair like this, but you know, things happen, and I haven't done it like this in a while. I mean, I guess I could. Nah, we're gonna leave it how it is. I want to wear a hat to make it flatter, give myself head hair, but I like the look though. And because, you know, I said it reminds me of the all-encompassing African flag, the red, black, and green. So I'm definitely wearing my Eric Killmonger Black Panther t-shirt. Don't judge me, I just got real short, but that's okay, that's fine. This is a finished look. Mia, thank you for collabing with me. I can't wait to see her. I haven't seen hers yet. She hasn't seen mine. I can't wait to see hers though. Sorry, it was in a ponytail, and because it was in a ponytail and I didn't flatten the bump from the ponytail, so now it looks a little weird. I might have to just put a hat on my head. I need to stop. Y'all gonna see an extension just slide right out. I really should just, you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Again, this wasn't even supposed to happen. Why you being like, I'm gonna put a hat on my head as I walk to work. It looked like it's gonna rain anyway. So I'm gonna put a hat on just to get that part flat. For this video, what we did was, instead of just collabing and doing the same face chart, I picked one that I thought suited her personality. And she picked one for me. The one she picked for me, I actually like it. I was scared at first because I saw that star on the face, and I'm just like, wait a minute, I don't do those. But it came out very nice. My star is ratchet. Like, I don't want, like, you can't tell, but if you like get real close, you're like, yeah. So this is the finished look. And the reason why there's Fenty Beauty here and here is because in the picture there is highlight at the top and the bottom, or some type of, like, it looks like highlight, but it's also like a white silvery one, and I didn't want to use the white silvery one that I have because I don't like the way it looks on me unless it's in my inner corner. So I chose Trophy Wife. I always wear Trophy Wife. I really like this look. I need to figure out how to make my hair not look crazy, because for some, this side looks just, the freaking ponytail, it just looks, maybe I should just take all of this and put it up. Get the proper comb though, because I might just put put all of this up and just like that. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know. So what happens when you wear it to one side for so long, it doesn't want to do it. Like, see how this video is just becoming strange. Cause I usually wear it like this or to the other side. I think I'm gonna wear it up in the front. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go figure out to do my hair and then I'm gonna work. Everyone check out Mia's video, subscribe to her channel. I am going to leave her link below, of course. That's it, that's all for this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye.